Alright, so just got in our Hackerbox. This is Hackerbox 56. It's called Demon Seed. And I don't think anybody's done an opening, so I'm going to open this up and we will see what we have inside. Alright, here we go. Ooh, got us a bunch of things here. Okay, so first of all, we got us some rainbow jumpers. That looks like a USB programming chip. Could be wrong. I'm gonna call that an AT-Tiny module, maybe? Kind of looks like one. This is a micro USB pin out. Looks like we have a lot of USB stuff going on here. Ooh, that little bag looks like it's full of tiny things. I see a cap. Got to check that one out independently. Next we have, looks like a programmer module. Aha! I bet you this is an AT-Tiny. Got a nice RGB LED, an AT-Tiny, some diodes and resistors, a large pin header set. Don't know what we'd be using that for, but I'm sure they got something planned for us. A USB micro? I think that's a micro. I always mix up the minis and the micros. A second one, micro. And this looks like a powered USB port. I say powered because it has a barrel jack on the side, and of course it has switches to turn each one on and off. This is a USB 2 high-speed hub. I don't see a power strip, but I bet we have to make our own. Okay, so I'm thinking that this is a programmer to what's that other little board? The AT-Tiny. Yeah, I bet you it goes from this programmer on that side to an AT-Tiny on this side. That's got 4 pins, but you can use only 3 pins to program it, so bet you that's what that's for. And last but not least, a breadboard. That's what comes in the new Hackerbox. And I'll open this stuff up so you can get a better view of it later, but that's what comes in the new Hackerbox, in case you was wondering. This is Hackerbox 56.